finally crashed. You fucking deserved it. He deserved it. Look at this. This is what happens when you fly irresponsibly.
What a flash.
Now, Sean, have you been watching my drone crash compilations?
I have.
Yeah. People seem to enjoy that. And I've got a lot of contributors, many more than I thought that I would get. And yeah, apparently people would buy the bone drone. Awesome. So there's going to be a volume 4. There might even be a volume 5 because I've been sent so many. But so here's an example of what you'll see on the next one. This is from Kirk. There you go. Kirk Chase and his buddy. Going awful fast.
Finally crashed. You fucking deserved it. He deserved it.
That's a friend, isn't it?
This is what happens when you fly irresponsibly.
What a flash.
That's a friend, right? You deserved it.
Yeah.
No. Did I hit you? Yes. Fucker. I heard it. I didn't lose another son. Abort! Abort! Here we are to do the recovery. It's up there somewhere, 0.3 miles west. This is what happens when you fly irresponsibly. Give up the patio! Give up the pad! The road may be green, but you better not be seen. Walking through a gate that leads you down to a pool fraught with danger. It's a pool full of strangers.
You're living in your
that?
I got the sound, I think. Better. Do you have blades?
No.
Well, then you're fucked. I went up the coast.
It actually doesn't have any problem flying though.
Marathon shelf race. Half mile out. Ooh.
Is it so?
God damn, it's taking a long time to get back.
Huh?
It's taking forever to get back. There it is. Maybe I can do a successful hand landing.
Yeah, we got the one man.
Landing.
A landing. Yeah. Oh my god. The video is just gorgeous. I'm just gonna let it land. Wait, no.
Yeah, I mean that's it.
I've seen it enough already.
It's gonna be a fucking hand landing marathon.
I'm pretty much tired of that.
You notice how I focus on me.
You look like a fago.